I found out what the problem was. It's right there. Hey, welcome back to Holt Growers. So I was going to talk about that doorway right there and a guy coming out, contractor coming out to tell us how long it would take and how much it would cost to put an exterior door there on this episode. However, when I got down here, I discovered that. Now, if you've been watching, this shouldn't have any water in it whatsoever. So I found out what the problem was. It's right there. So today, I'm going to be clearing that hole out, that drain, and hopefully getting this water out of the basement. So stay tuned for that. This is Timothy Holt with Holt Growers, and sometimes you got to get a little wet, dirty, and muddy. Alright, so as you can see right here, we have a storm drain right here. It has a pipe that goes under the floor over to our sump pit. And it should be clear, it should be draining properly. However, as you can see with where I'm standing, it's definitely not. So leaves, debris, dirt has run down the stairs and clogged it up. It has stopped raining. However, it rained almost all day yesterday, off and on, and this morning we had a deluge. It rained really hard for about 20-30 minutes, about a half hour or so, and I came downstairs to film the video for the exterior door that's going in. We had a contractor leave on that and discovered all of this water pooling in this room. Came over to the door to go outside and notice this. This is the source of this problem. One good thing is we've got a shop vac, we've got shovel, we've got the tools necessary and the know-how to clear this out. So we're going to clear it out and get to it. We got to clear the hole first drain. So we're going to shut up all the fun inside of the room and open up the damage. So the scramble is not going to sweet and vacuum will be clear. Bring it down. Now, as you can see that pipe there with the green cap, that cap is not glued on. It just sits there. It's got little slits in it for the water to go through, but keep the big debris out since it does go to a sump pump, not a sludge pump. And now it seems to be draining a lot better. I'll finish cleaning this all out and make sure it flows well, and then we'll get the gravel cleaned up and put back in.